Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing. There's an icon somewhere that says AutoFreeWay. You can click on that and subscribe. So what I've been doing the last few days is basically levitation, meditation right next to Amida Buddha, also known as Daihatsu. It is located in the southern part of Tokyo, in the city of Kamakura. It is about over 30 feet tall, and it was casted in the 13th century. It's a beautiful structure and a beautiful city. I had the opportunity to visit a couple of years ago. Well, in any event, as you know, we're going through tough times right now, and it seems that any content that anybody puts out, seems trivial at this time. However, I'm trying to do what I can. I mean, as I said, levitation, meditation for a few days, trying to think what to do with the channel and what path to follow. I think that we're trying to do good things through the channel, and eventually, I'm still hoping that eventually we'll be able to give our first car away to one of the subscribers. So in that respect, as I said, I'm looking into new material, and in a few days I will be posting another video. As I said, it may sound trivial or it may look trivial, but trying to entertain you guys as much as I can with the limitations that we have. Try to again maintain social distancing. If you can stay home, stay home. I hope you haven't been affected too much. I know a lot of people are getting furloughed, are getting laid off. I hope none of you guys have been affected with this. And keep your hopes high. As I said in a previous video, hope is very contagious, more contagious than any virus. So I hope that you keep your hopes high and transmit it to your family and to your friends, because we will get through this. You have heard it many times. We will get through this. As one nation, as one people, aside from politics and all the things that are going on back and forth, we will get through this. Another thing that I wanted to say, if you want to see, I know it's not car related, but if you want to see other pictures of places that I've been able to visit, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than glad to show you. Like I said, I've been all over the place, and maybe distracting for you guys, maybe something to take your mind off what is going on right now. So let me know in the comments, and I can post pictures, or as I sit here in my levitation meditation, I can show you pictures of other places that I have been able to visit. On another note, if you can, please contribute to the First Responders Children's Fund. The first responders have been on the front lines of this crisis, and they have helped thousands and thousands and upon thousands of people trying to get through this. The other one is Feeding America. They're trying to obviously provide food to those families that are in need right now. So if you can give even a little bit, please do so. So as I said, we'll get through this one hopefully sooner than later. Social distancing and staying at home is working, as we have seen by the latest data. So please continue to do so. And keep on the lookout for my next video, which will be coming probably in a couple of days or so. Today is Tuesday, so maybe by Thursday or Friday I'll post another one. And on that one, I hope you'll be surprised, because yes, I succumbed to the pressures of YouTube, and well, I won't spoil the surprise. I will give you a surprise in that video. Okay, so until that time, stay healthy, stay safe, you, your family, your friends, and I'll see you next time. Peace.